Belly. So how do you have a kiss? So hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you, Amelia, for that introduction. So today is wash day. Amelia went to the beach. Well, we all went to the beach the other day, and I thought it would be the best to wash their hair because it was full of sand. So this is just their curly hair routine on how to detangle and to moisturize, and just an easy way to wash my baby's hair, so both of them. So with Amelia's hair, I start by detangling it, and I do this when it's kind of like semi-wet kind of thing, and then I wet it also. Amelia hates this part because she hates water near her eyes. Even though it doesn't go in her eyes, she just hates it. So she's always been like this for years now. As you can see, her face is not happy at all when it comes to like wetting her hair and stuff like that. Look at her. So yeah, I start by just detangling it and stuff like that. Look at this dirty look she just gave me. So I'm using the Shea Moisture. This is the black soap shampoo. I don't usually use this one, but I ran out of my regular one, but sometimes I use this one on her hair. It's really good to really deep cleansing and washing it all out and stuff like that. So I don't rub it in, I literally just like run my fingers through it, like run it down, if that makes sense. Just watch the video if you don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's what I do. I usually do two rinses of this also, and as I'm doing that, I just put water in also just to keep it detangled from tangling up. And then I use the Cantu conditioner, and again I just run my fingers through it also. I don't really rub it in too much because that just tangles the hair, and Amelia's hair is so curly, so it gets really tangly very fast. So that's what I use. And then as I'm doing that with the conditioner, I like to literally go through with my comb, a wide toothed comb also. And then yeah, that's what I do. By this time Amelia's excited about her hair. So as you can see, she's smiling, trying to get close to the camera. So I rinse out with some fresh water also. As you can see, she hates that part again. She's in terror. I'm like, get it out of my face. No, mom. Now on to the next little one. So I've made a new bath and I've wet Amaya's hair first, as you can see here. Look at her little face. And I'm using this shampoo and wash. This is from Burt's and Bees. It's a 99.9% natural shampoo, and I like to go through her hair like that. I don't like to rub it in because again, she's got really curly hair, and I just carefully softly go in with the comb, detangling it, and I wash it out, and that's it really. So Amelia's hair is now kind of like dry. I'd say semi-dry, like almost dry. So now, as you can see, she's excited about her hair. She loves it. So I go in through with the comb again, and I go in with some leave-in conditioner again, just at the top and the parts where I missed in this in the bath. And then I just go in with the comb again, make sure that it's just detangled everything, because if you leave tangles in when it's semi-dry, and then when it dries, you will find those tangles, trust me. And you don't want it to be all puffy and dry and tangly. It's just so annoying. So this is the best method that I found works for me. Then I just go in with a comb, a hard brush, sorry, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just brushing her hair for her hairstyle today because she wanted to have it down. So I'm just putting a headband in, and that's it for Amelia's little hairstyle. So with Amaya's hair, I use natural hair products, which I'll list down below if you want to know. And I just go through that with a comb, and I just moisturize her hair throughout the day. So usually her hair is left out unless we're going out somewhere nice. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I hope this was simple for you, and see you in my next video. Bye.